Set. Out. Excellent. Ready, set. Out. That's going to help your breathing by having to hold that. Ready, set. Out. All right, come on, give me that exhale when you come out. Ready, set. Out. There you go. Keep sniffing the flowers and keep blowing out the candles. Ready, set. Out. Last one and then we going. Ready, set. Out. And let me see some form, speed, and explosion. Ready, set. Go. Drive. Come on, drive. Drive. Come on, drive. Drive. Come on, drive. 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 Come on, drive. Good. Turn back this way. Turn back this way. Good. Breathe. Get a quick recovery. Get a quick recovery. Brother, you got pretty good form. Pretty good form. Relax a little bit more up into the jaws. It'll flow better. We're going to do one more. We're going to push it here. Ready. Set. Out. Ready. I know, that's why I'm giving you the break with the breathing. We're still practicing the ready, set though. It's giving you a chance to recover. Ready. Set. Bend those knees, bend those knees. Out. Good. Set. Out. Set. Reverse your hands. Hand up, foot back. Right hand up, left foot back. Set. Out. What foot do you take off better with? Okay, put that one back. You want to experiment. Set. Out. Now change and see what one feels better. Set. Which feel better?
The right one, I guess, because I'm right-handed, but
okay.
I like to learn how to use it.
All right, let's go off of that one then. We're going here. Ready. Set. Explode. Come on, drive. Drive. Excellent. Drive. Drive. Excellent. Drive. Excellent. Right there. Good. Give me 20 jumping jacks. Right where you at. Go. Come on. We conditioning. Go. 1, 2. Remember the breathing. 3. Exhale at the top. Exhale at the top when your hands clap. 1, 2. Come on. Get up there. 3, 4, 5, 6. Sniff the flower. 7, 8, 9. Hit that stomach. 10. A little bit higher. 11. Right there. 12. Inhale. 13. Inhale. 14 at the stomach. 15. Inhale at the stomach. 16. 17. Like that. 18. 19. And 20. Good work. Good. 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 Let me see your face when you're doing that, so I make sure you're good. Good? All right. All right. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good work. Look up. Look up for me. That's how you train. That's how you train. That's how you train.